Hey, good morning, real estate world. John Moss coming to you from good old Eau Claire, Wisconsin. I'm standing right here in the Office of General Property Management. And today we're going to talk about renters insurance. I think it's obvious why we want people to have renters insurance. I mean, it protects the tenant's possessions, and more importantly, it provides liability coverage should something go wrong for the tenant and they do damage to the owner's property. For example, let's say your friend goes outside to smoke a cigarette and uses the dead potted plant as an ashtray and sets that on fire, and the fire propagates to the rest of the building. And there's, I don't know, 100,000, 150, 200, $250,000 worth of damage. In this case, probably more than that. But, anyways, that's a true story. That didn't happen in one of our properties, but it did in a different company's property. Right here in good old Eau Claire, that happened. It probably happens more than we know. So liability coverage and tenant's possessions are covered. Then the owner wants to if it's the tenant's fault, the tenant would rather have the owner would rather have the tenant's policy pay for the damage. So it's good for the owners. The problem with a management company is it's a lot of work to make sure that every single person keeps their renter's insurance in place. That's kind of difficult to manage. So the solution we came up with was a missing document fee. So we put it on the tenant to provide us with proof of their renter's insurance, and we have them list us as additional insured on that policy. So if they do not pay their premium or they cancel it, the insurance company will notify us of that event that they no longer have coverage. So the missing document fee is, I think it's $20. It's not much, $20. That's probably what renter's insurance is too. It's not much. So the missing document fee, then we pass on to the owner because the owner has additional exposure because of the lack of renter's insurance. The missing document. So we charge the tenant that $20. We'll pass it on to the owner, and then once the tenant does get renter's insurance, we stop that, and we don't refund what we've already given to the owners. We just stop the fee, and then it's wiped clean. It's done and gone. Should the policy get canceled, we'll reinstate the fee. That's the solution we came up with. So if I guess if you don't get the renter's insurance, that extra $20 is really nice to have. Use it to buy, I guess, additional insurance if you're an owner, or just be happy to like pocket a little extra money. That's every little bit helps. So I'm John Moss with General Property Management, good old Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Check out our website, generalpropertymanagement.com. If you have questions, if I was confusing in explaining this, please reach out to me. Just give me a call, 715-832-1200. Thank you very much. When we all do our little part, the world's a better place.